everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're not going to be talking about training, we're going to be talking about grooming. So if you do have a Yorkie and you want to save some coin, definitely invest in some grooming material. I bought a grooming table that has a hook like so that way you can have like the full professional grooming experience without breaking the bank. You pretty much got to get your dog to like the scissors, and I know it's kind of weird. The trick is to basically let them get used to the noise. So, you know, go like this around their face and give them a treat so that way they know it's okay. So desensitizing is like the best recommendation in getting to groom your dog. Today I have clippers that I bought on Amazon.com. This is One Sound dog clippers, but it is one of those chargeable clippers and it comes with attachments. I like the shortcut. So a lot of you guys ask me, how do I cut EEVEE's hair? What do I use, and etc. But pretty much I just use the shortest setting or just no attachment when I get the hands and the legs and the butt, especially the butt, because with Yorkies, their hair gets matted in their butt, and when they poop, it could be like a horrific experience, just like what she just encountered. So that's the reason why we're grooming her today. So let me get EEVEE and I will show you how I groom her or do touch-up groomings. And I have a double brush. So one side has a detangling and then the other side has the brush. So I'm not bringing any treats. What I'm gonna do right now is detangle because her hair is so tangly. Good girl, EEVEE, I'm sorry. You're so tangled. So do you bathe her before or after? What I do is after, because I'm gonna get hair all over me and she's gonna have hair everywhere. So I groom her after, I wash her, I bathe her afterwards. So we're just gonna detangle, okay? Good girl, EEVEE. And then the top of her head, I actually like a little bit of hair on top. It's very matted though. I'm sorry, baby. She got tears on her face, so I just like to detangle that portion. I'm gonna shave it off anyways. Okay, I'm sorry you guys can't really see, but this is what I do. And for training, the sound of scissors, like she's not frantic anymore because she's used to it, but just make sure you do this around her ears so she knows the sound, and then give your Yorkie a treat, okay? She got hair, but it's not so bad. But I like her, like, it's summertime. I like shortcuts. And then I give her her flea and tick treatment, you know, after her bath. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to take the attachment off when I work on her face and her eyes, because her eyes has so much gunk. You're supposed to put this over her head, not too tight though, just like that. And then we go in. Good girl. Right at the eyes. Good girl. Right at the eyes. Get all that gunk out. And then when you bathe her, it'll be a lot easier. Wait, EEVEE. Good girl. Wait, EEVEE. I promise I won't poke you. I promise I won't. You gotta get them used to that. See, I think we can see her eyes a little better. Even though so gunky, I think we can see your eyes. Huh? We can see your eyes, right? Just make sure there's no like filth. We're just gonna brush a little bit, just right here. Just gonna brush it and then brush it over here. Just get all that little gunk out of her face. And a disclaimer, I'm not a professional groomer, okay? With COVID, you know, this is definitely a good skill to learn because some of the groomers weren't even open, but I think they're opening back up. The only thing I honestly can't do is her nails. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot do a dog's nails, okay? Now we're gonna put the attachment back, or your preferred attachment. I like her hair short. This is just a touch up. This is a touch-up cut. I know there's like professional groomers that are probably gonna bash me and be like, you're not doing it right. You're supposed to go with the grain. Look, okay, I'm an amateur, all right? I'm a rookie, I'm an amateur. I'm just telling you what I do for my dog on a budget-friendly basis, okay? If I had money to go see y'all professional groomers, I sure would. But I don't got the money to be blowing on no groomers. So honey's gonna have to learn how to do it herself, okay? And with these small dogs, spending $70 a grooming trip is not really satisfying my mental state. So I'm gonna learn how to cut a dog's hair, okay? We're gonna learn how to cut this dog's hair. This is a small dog. A very small dog. All I did was invest in a grooming table. The grooming table cost me, what, like $46, okay? These clippers cost me $30, okay? And then the scissors cost me about, what, like 16, okay? The amount of what I get charged for a Yorkie to get groomed at PetSmart, that's $68, is comparable to what I paid for all the equipment. Okay, so if I could do it, you could do it too. We just getting all the hair. I like the top of her hair because I like to put little ponytails on her. I like putting some ponytails on her. I know some of y'all probably like, why are you driving upward? Because when I go with the grain, it just doesn't take as much hair off. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Y'all groomers that are watching this video now, give me some tips. Send some tips my way, okay? This is the amateur grooming experience. That's why I teach her the wait command, stay command, so they can stay. Good girl. See, I'm getting some fur off. Stay. EEVEE, wait. Now EEVEE is almost 1. She's gonna be 1 very, very soon. Very soon. And I like to get her chest, like, not too much, but just a good amount. Good girl, my love. Good girl. This is where all the poop be at. Okay. You gotta get her butt. You probably look at my face like, ew, because I am like, ugh. And I don't like her legs too skinny, but whatever. Come on, baby. Come here, babies. So we're gonna get the top of her head. EEVEE, look up here. Good girl. I just get the top of her hair just to be a little even. Just to even it out a little bit. EEVEE. Good girl. Just a little bit. Just a little bit like that. Good girl, EEVEE. I don't like your beard, so we about to just cut a little bit of your beard. Okay? I don't really like your beard at all. Her face is good. Let me show you her face. Her face is pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna bathe her. So bathing is the last part, but what I do is I need to clean her ears too. So I am going to open this up, grab her ear, and fill it up, fill her ear up, and then squish it. Squish her ear like this. Squish it, squish it, squish it. And then I'm gonna take this and clean the outside of her ear and scoop up. It's like you're just scooping up. Get everything out. I like to scoop any type of dirt. Get the second ear. Fill it up. Squish it inside. Come here, baby. Good girl. EEVEE, good girl. And then we're gonna clean. I'm not irritating her. She just like, ugh, there's water here. Okay, good. Ugh, you didn't have that much filth. Okay, there we go. Big. We are gonna put her in the tub, and then I'm gonna wash all this eye mucus out of her face. I'm gonna wash her butt because she's still got like poop in here in her butt, and that's pretty much the grooming. How I groom her without the nails being done. If you guys are interested in watching the final outlook, I am gonna Be right back. Okay, we are back. She's bathed. I already blow dried her hair, and right now I am just applying her treatment, flea and tick treatment for the month. And I'm just going to, I might not even need this. Oh shoot, open this up and then have a lining, you know, at the bottom and the top of her neck. You know, you gotta apply this like directly to her skin. Okay, it's just like one line, so that way the ticks don't come to her. There we are. There you go. It's got her dress, and then we're gonna put a matching pink bow. She don't really have too much hair up top, but it's like just enough hair. Boom. Okay. And here she is. EEVEE is all done, all fresh and clean. She got her treatment in. And if you guys like this video, make sure you put a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.